Heyo, what's going on everyone? Nathan here. So I have three main passions in my life, and those are fitness, technology, and then music. And if you were to ask any my best friends or family members, they'd probably vouch for me that music is such a pivotal role in my life. It's helped me through some difficult times in the past, and one of the things that I love to do is just discover new music and then show people the new music. I'm not big into mainstream artists and radio songs. I kind of like more underground stuff. And so there's been this system that I've built up over the years using different AI and algorithm methods on Spotify to really help me always find new music. I love doing that. So in this video, I'm gonna go over 7 different methods or ways that I use Spotify for to discover new music. So let's get right into the video. So the first and main way how I do find new music every single week is with Release Radar. So when you open up Spotify to find Release Radar, all you gotta do is go to the search at the bottom right here, and you're gonna scroll down to new releases, and then it should be your top right one. Look at that, NF just dropped Motto today. Pretty good song. So when you click on this, what Release Radar is essentially just a playlist of different artists that you follow or that you frequently listen to, and their newest releases if they were to release it that week. So Spotify is very good at taking trends and using algorithms and AI to really help narrow this down to artists that it thinks you like or that it knows that you do like. So one way to really tailor this to your own likings is if you do follow an artist and you do really enjoy the music that they make. Here you can click on them, you can go to the artist itself, go to their page, and then you press follow. So you can see right here, follow, following. So now anytime they do release something new, Release Radar will try to put it into there for that weekly update. So it just helps you keep up with different releases and different things that artists could be putting out. So one cool thing is that Spotify is kind of TikTokifying their playlists. So right here, if you go to explore playlists, this is brand new, I just saw it today. So if you click on it, it's kind of like TikTok, where it kind of goes through each song in the playlist. It says the kind of genre it is, and then you scroll down and you can press add, the little green check mark right there, or it becomes a green check mark. You add to playlist, just add it to your songs, and it's kind of a cool way because it gives you the main either chorus or main parts of the song, so it's not the very start or the very end. And I think it's actually a really cool way to kind of help you get through the playlist quicker and find songs that you actually enjoy. So Release Radar, as soon as Friday starts, it releases every week, and I'm always there ready to check it out. So that's the first way how I discovered new music. So the second way is New Music Friday, which is very similar to Release Radar. All you do is go to search at the bottom, go to new releases, and then it's the top left one. And then this will be a curated playlist of just more mainstream songs. These are songs that Spotify thinks will do well, that are just widely known. You can see Miley Cyrus right here just released an album. And also going along with this, instead of pressing on the playlist, which are just singles, if you scroll down, it's all the albums and singles of the week. And this updates on Friday, right on the nose, every single week as well. So if you're kind of more into mainstream stuff or, radio songs that are probably gonna go big, this is where you should check out every week. I don't really find songs here that often, but I would do like to do is if there's an album, this is where I can find the album easily. And then I can then go through and find, smaller songs that I find are better than mainstream. So that's just another revenue or option where you can go to find new music each week. So the third way I find new music each week is with Spotify's Discover Weekly playlist. And so to find this, you go to search and then you scroll down to Discover, click on that. And then it's going to be Discover Weekly. It should be one of the top 2 right here. And so essentially what this is, it's an updated playlist that happens every Monday morning, and it's 30 songs that it thinks that you will like. And so what's different about this and then Release Radar is that these aren't necessarily new songs. These are songs that could have been released a couple years ago, and it just thinks based off who you follow, who you've recently been listening to in the past few weeks. It will recommend songs for you here. And this is also just another great way. It's 30 songs, and usually on a good week, I can find about 4 to 5 songs that I really do enjoy with this playlist right here. It's just another way to find music, and it's also just a nice way to start the week as well. So Friday, on the weekend, you get New Music Friday, and then on Monday to start the week, I can usually just play this, go through while I'm doing homework or going to the gym or whatever. It's just a great way to find new music as well. So the fourth way, and it's actually very new to Spotify, and it's actually a beta, so if you don't have this feature yet, don't worry, give it a couple days, it might still be rolling out to some people. but it's with their new AI DJ. So to find this, you go to home at the bottom left, and then you press music at the top left, and it's gonna be right here, and you can see it says beta. So essentially what this is, it's like this cool, like nice chill voice of a guy. So he'll come on, he'll give you like a rundown of what's coming up, either like, you know, rock songs you currently have on repeat, just different things like that, maybe some throwbacks to 2018, some hype songs, and then it'll give you 5 songs. Whether you've heard them before or not, it will also just recommend you new songs that it knows you haven't listened to. And just based on the different vibes and stuff like that, it can really help you like expand your music horizon and also just find new music. So let me give you a quick rundown and show you like what it does. So click on it right here, and then he'll tell you like what's going on.
All right, we're on the move now. I got the music you had on the most back in 2018, leading off with Toto.
I guess it was an 80s vibe back in 2018. So look, you can then skip this song, skip that song, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty much 80s, that's crazy. So then after 5 songs, he goes again.
I got some pop and dance remixes for you, handpicked by our editors. Something from St. John up first.
I'm already gonna like that song. That song already sounds sick. I haven't heard that one before, but see, you can press like right there, and if you don't like what kind of like topic he gives you, just press the little DJ button at the bottom right, and it'll then, you know, cycle through to a new set of 5. It's honestly a really cool feature. I like how he talks to you. It changes it up a little bit. So I'm a big fan of this AI DJ feature in Spotify. So now the 5th way I find new music is by going to radio stations based off of songs I already like. And I don't know how many people do this. I do it all the time, and it leads me to just more of the same vibe type of song. So this is one I actually just found. And so to get to like this radio playlist, you're gonna press the ellipses at the top right, and then you're gonna go down to go to radio. Click on that, and then it's a playlist, I don't know, it might be like 30 songs or something like that, of similar type of songs to the one that you just pressed. So it's not the artist, like you can search the artist and do that yourself if you want to, but Proud of Myself right here, that's the name of the song. And so it's gonna be a playlist of similar songs, and it's just a great way. Like you can go through right here, you can see like the ones I already have liked. I'm like, you know, deep into like this type of genre already. Just go through this, you'll find songs very similar to the one that you already enjoy, and this is a great way, and it leads me to a whole bunch of new songs that I ended up like not knowing beforehand that I end up really liking. So the 6th way is through blends, and this is also very new to Spotify, but I'm already a huge fan of it. So to find a blend, you're gonna go to the bottom right, and you're gonna press the top right plus button, and then you're gonna go to blends right here. So essentially what a blend is you can invite up to 10 different people to the same one, and then what it does is it takes all of your different music tastes and it recommends songs for each of you based off of like what it thinks you will all like. So you can't like update this blend yourself. Like for that, you just need to like create like a shared playlist with each other. But what I like about it is like it's AI recommended, and so it kind of just knows like songs that will fit both types of people or all the people in the group. What's great like is if you have like other friends who are also deep into music, like I have a couple others, we have a group chat called Tune Platoon. It's really funny. And so like sometimes like you just like don't send each other every song you find, especially like if you find a lot of them. This is a place where Spotify itself will like recommend the songs so like you don't miss out on like what your friends are listening to. So I'm gonna go down, this is actually one I have 5 total people. And so you can see like how on the right hand side it says who is compatible with who on what songs and like why like they're being recommended to you right now. And again, it's just a great way to kind of get like different flavors from different people. There's songs on here I do currently have. There's some songs I don't know about. And I love having this, especially with other friends who are deep into music. I know I can trust on it. And what's cool is like if you press on this top left right here, it actually gives you like a summary of what's going on in here. There's different compatibility rates. Like me and Adam right here, we have a 96% compatibility. It's really cool. I really like blends. I'm glad that they added this in here. So that's another way how I find music. And then the last way where I find new music is actually at the bottom of playlists. So let's say like you have a playlist that you created. It's just a whole bunch of bops and different songs that you really do enjoy. So this one right here this is just a classic playlist of mine. I haven't updated in a while, but it's called Anytime Anywhere. So when you scroll down to the bottom, there's actually gonna be recommended songs that it thinks you should put into this playlist based off of what's in the playlist currently. So I already know a bunch of these songs. I've definitely been through that. But what's great is like it gives you like, what is it, 6 right here. If you go through them, you don't like any of them, you press refresh, and it gives you another new 6 based off of your playlist as well. So it's just a quick way, like as you get to the end of it, you can find new songs based off of like what you already enjoy and like. So those are the 7 tips as to how I find new music. So I don't know how many of you have noticed, but at the start of all my videos, I have like a recent repeat song that pops up, and it's just whatever song like I listened to the most the past week or like while I'm currently editing. Again, I love finding music and showing people. So if you haven't checked them out already, definitely check those out. And also, if you want to follow me on Spotify, it's just Nathan Lemoine. And if you want, let me know down below, and I'll actually create a recent repeat playlist of all the songs that I featured in my recent repeat, and then I'll keep updating it as I keep making more videos. If you go through, like, it's just such a wide range of genres. I love all kinds of music. If it's a good song, I'll listen to it. So that's gonna be it for the video. If you enjoyed it, or if you learned something new, then please don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe. And as always, have a great day, everyone, and cheers.